Meaning of district nurse.
District nurse.
District nurse.
District nurse.
District nurse. A district nurse is a healthcare professional who provides nursing care to patients in their own homes or in community settings. Their role involves assessing and managing the healthcare needs of patients, including wound care, medication management, and palliative care. District nurses work closely with other healthcare professionals to ensure continuity of care for their patients. They also provide education and support to patients and their families on managing their health conditions. Overall, district nurses play an important role in delivering essential healthcare services in the community.